what are the behaviors of a troubled wife? Moreover, what are the clues she shows when planning to leave your marriage? And if this happens, how do you fix it? In today's episode, we begin with clue number 1, and that is, does your wife frequently try to control you? If so, this is the first clue that you have serious marriage problems. When your wife feels unloved, unappreciated, or taken for granted, or that she isn't close to you, she begins to search for reassurance of your love by unconsciously testing you to see if you are still devoted to her. And if you don't take her seriously, she will begin what I call the woman's exit strategy, where she begins pondering sometimes for years if she is going to get rid of you. Reality check. If you refuse to address this clue, eventually you will be alone in your house and in divorce court wondering what in the heck happened. Well, what happened is you were a wuss, didn't man up, and you lost your woman. Bam!